system triggers. They also copy the key and try and steal the vehicle. Just get into it and try and start it. The vehicle's also going to be immobilised, so if we try and start the vehicle up, it just simply doesn't start. With the Solaris, my colleague's outside. If we just lock the vehicle, give it time to set, he's going to apply a force to the rear, and you'll see the alarm's going to trigger. You'll hear it going off. I'm not going to disarm it, just so you can see how it works. The app's going to update. I locked the phone, so we're going to get a phone call, and also we're going to get notification through the app of what's going on. So he's going to apply a force now. So I'll just unlock the phone so you can see. You can hear it going off. I'm not going to disarm it. We've got an instant notification. As you can see, system's giving us a ring. I'll just end it to end the call and not upset the neighbours. But as you can see in the app, we can see I've just disarmed it. You can see the phone call, and you can also see why it triggered. So if we go into here, the alarm was interrupted by us, but the rear sensor is what caused it to trigger, as my colleagues just hit. As soon as we get out and lock the vehicle, it's going to be secure and protected. This is the Solaris, comes with tracking within an app, so you can see where the vehicle is at all times. So we'll just show you within the app. You can also control it from here. See statuses, such as if I open the door, you'll see if any doors are open, bonnet, boot, and so on. If I lock the vehicle, you see it becomes protected. As you see, we've got the bubble around it. Now if I unlock, you see the vehicle's unlocked. If I try and start it, you see we have the no entry sign, which means the vehicle's immobilised. It's not going to start without the code or the phone. So once again, with the Solaris, we'll turn the ignition on, do our code, wait for a double flash, and now we can start. So this system has tilt, motion and shock protection. Protects all the doors, has 2 additional impact sensors if a thief tries to apply a force to the rear doors. Also fires the horn as well as the siren, so you can hear the system going off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's the Solaris alarm system on a 2024 Transit Custom. Thanks for watching.